Hey guys, this is Chadley and Ryan at Metalworks. We're just here checking out our 69 Jeep Wagoneer project that we're doing for M West, and just figured we'd give you guys a quick peek at it.
Got that Crawl King Dana 60s on this, front and rear, with a 430 horse LS3 GM automatic with an Atlas, Walker Evans reservoir shocks, running a Cooper STT Pro 37-inch mud train on a US Mag aluminum wheel.
So we'll be setting the body on here relatively soon. We're leaving the body kind of a sympathetic restoration. It's just going to be the original paint with patina and putting on the fully redone chassis here. So keep checking back for updates, and you can check it out, the build online as well. We're hoping to have this thing knocked out here by about the end of the month. Take care.